How to disable email, surveys, and feedback notifications on SoundCloud Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email, surveys, and feedback notifications on SoundCloud Mobile. First, then open SoundCloud and then click library, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click this one, settings, and then notifications. Now scroll down until you find email notifications, and here you will find surveys and feedback. Now just click on it, turn it off, and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.